Roger.
Spirit 940 tower cross 28 right at Golf, turn left on November and contact ground point 9 on the other side.
So 2711, maintain 12000 direct gas.
12000 direct gas, about 2711. Alright, cross 0 right Golf and November and ground is set for 940.
Left to 376, it's going to maintain 9000 direct main.
To 9,000. We the fix again?
Yeah, I said the wrong one. It's my bad. JJ.
Alright, that makes sense. Fix JJ for 366.
So 2629, speed 210.
210 knots, up to 2629.
For 3174, line approach, 8 left.
Number 3613, fly runway heading, remain at frequency 28 right, echo, cleared for takeoff. Yeah, just go ahead for takeoff, runway heading, we will do for 3613.
4970, line approach, 8 left. Going Golf now.
American 1460. Follow the traffic, you're cleared for visual approach 25 left. You can contact the tower now 120.9 or 5. Have a good day.